Hello, my name is Rim Borsam, and I've been studying health science for almost 2 years now. This program is for students wishing to pursue university studies in the health and or biomedical fields in order to have access to future careers in medicine, dentistry, pharmaceutical research, or animal health. The program provides students with the foundations that are necessary to advance to higher education while also providing them with an in-depth knowledge of chemistry and biology. Many students struggle with studying to study using traditional methods. That has a huge impact on their motivation, on their knowledge retention, and thus on their grades. This problem particularly helps on students because in classes like biology or chemistry, they have to remember by heart a tremendous amounts of information. For example, body part names, organ functions, regulation systems, and that is very difficult to do, especially if the only study method they know is to read and repeat until it sticks in their mind. I'll show you a website that will make it much easier and more fun to study. First, open a new tab on your browser, type the URL quizlet.com into the address bar, and hit enter. If you type the URL correctly, you'll see this page. In the top left corner of the screen, there's a logo, and in the top right corner of the screen, there's a link to log in and one to sign up. I already have an account, so I'll click on the one to log in. Here I have three options to log in, but I'll choose the first one. I'll log in with my Google account. Once you've logged in the top right corner of the screen, there's a search bar and a notification icon. In the top left corner of the screen, there's a Your Library option with an accordion button, and when you click on it, you can see all the study sets you've used before or the ones that you've created before. At the right of that, there's a create option with an accordion button as well. And when you click on it, you can either create a new study set or a new folder. On the left-hand side of the screen, there are all the lists you've searched and studied before. So let's say you have a biology exam on enzymes, and yes, you can create flashcards by yourself with terms and definitions you want to study, but let's pretend you don't have much time to do that. Lots of flashcards. You go into the search bar and you write biology enzymes and you hit enter. There are many sets that will appear, but let's just pick the first one. Here on the left hand side of the screen, there are many options to study or play a game. And in the middle of the screen, there are the flashcards with questions and answers. So this is the first flashcard, and it has a question on it, but when you click on it, it shows the answer. So let's say you know all the answers to those questions and you want to test yourself. You go here and you click on test, and there are many questions that will appear so you can test yourself. So for example, here you have 7 matching questions, and if you scroll down, there's 7 multiple choice questions. And if you scroll more, there are 6 true and false questions. And when you finish the test, you click on check answers, and you'll get your grade with all the incorrect answers and the correct ones.